back to our channel.
Today we will be showing you guys an easy, crispy fried chicken wing recipe.
First, let's gather the listed ingredients.
Now let's marinate our chicken. Let's add our dry seasoning. Hot sauce of your choice. Some Dijon mustard or just yellow mustard. I just eye everything. And then your eggs. I'm gonna add a little bit more hot sauce just because I want it a little bit more spicy. Now give it a good mix. Make sure all of the ingredients is mixed well throughout all your chicken. Just like that. Let's set this aside for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now we will prepare the flour mix that consists of 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of cornstarch. Let's pour in the dry ingredients that will be listed in the description. And give it a good whisk so all the ingredients can mix in together.
Set your frying oil to 350 while we batter our chicken.
Now it's time to batter our chicken and set it aside. Grab your piece of chicken wing, put it into the batter, grab some, press it like that. Make sure you get a good amount. Press it like that. And shake off some excess batter. Leave it on the side. And repeat the process until you're done.
Let your chicken rest for about 10 minutes before we fry them. Now let's fry our wings for about 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Make sure you fry in batches so you won't overcrowd the fryer, which can lower the temperature and your chicken won't fry that well.
Beautiful. The perfect fried chicken. Yeah.
Once the chicken is done, remove it from the fryer. Leave it on the cooling rack. Let it rest for a couple of minutes before you can enjoy them.
Here we go. It's time to try our food.
All right, it's time to eat.
You go first. You pick one. I'm gonna get this piece. Cheers. How about me? Cheers. I love wings.
So crunchy.
The flavor's in there. You like the hot sauce?
We used Frank's hot sauce.
Frank's hot sauce. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
Better than Popeyes.
I think it can be spicier, but I would definitely make this recipe again. Really good. Wow.
Delicious.
We hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for future updates.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Peace.
See you in the next one.